Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Unity Editor has Android build support and Open JDK installed. This lets Unity sign and compile APKs. Next, make sure Android SDK/NDK paths are set in Unity preferences so Gradle can build. Connect your device with USB debugging enabled to test quickly. If you prefer emulators, install an ARM/x86 system image. Once done, open your project and switch platform to Android in build settings, so Unity prepares player settings and assets for the target platform. You now adjust player settings, set the package name, your company, app, minimum and target API levels that match your device or Play Store requirements. Then choose Gradle as the build system. It handles dependencies and signing. For release builds, create or assign a key store and secure passwords so the APK is signed. Also optimize. Select IL2 CPP if needed, include ARM64. Enable managed code stripping and ProGuard/R8 to reduce size and improve performance before you build. You finish by choosing build or build and run. Unity will compile and output an APK or app bundle. Install and test on your device. Validate permissions, graphics, and performance. If the build fails or the app crashes, use a dblogcat to read logs and spot missing libraries or runtime exceptions. Make sure SDK/NDK and JDK paths in Unity are correct, Gradle caches are clean, and your key store credentials match. Fixing those issues resolves most build problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.